Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Dreams Natura Resort and Spa. This is a brand new resort, and this is a junior suite tropical view. Now this is the very entry-level room here, and essentially in my mind, if you're getting this, it's not because you want to have a balcony at all. The view is going to be directly at the resort right next door with a little bit of foliage in between. Let me show you what the room is all about. As soon as you enter, you have your light controls to the right. You also have your do not disturb makeup room. Luggage storage right here, and it's nice that they have the drawers right underneath so you can put it right away. Now you're gonna find the main storage here. You've got hangers, and you also have your robe and slippers. I highly recommend that you check out the spa here. It's really, really amazing. They did an incredible job recreating a cenote and has an amazing hydrotherapy experience. You can see that on our full resort tour if you're interested. Right here, you're gonna have the safe, a little bit of storage underneath, including your steamer. Now we're headed into the bathroom. You've got your toilet right here, and this is your large walk-in shower. You got the accent wall behind you, a nice bench, a shower wand, and you have your amenities right here. Continuing on in, you've got a large double vanity storage underneath. You're gonna have a hair dryer, a scale. Here's their amenity kit right here, and then of course the signature Secrets incense that you're always gonna have. Now this opens up, but one thing that I really do appreciate is because this is a family resort, that does close, and then we head out of the bathroom. Continuing on in to my right, you've got your Nespresso Maker. They've got the pods for you, and they'll replenish those as often as you like throughout your stay. You've got your mini bar underneath, once again, fully stocked and replenished. Now this particular setup is a king size room. This does come in a 2 queen variety as well. Next to your bed, you're gonna have the temperature controls. You've got your radio, 2 USB chargers, and a little bit of storage. You also have a fan. I really like that because you keep the air moving. Now on the other side, you've got 2 USB plugs, all of your light controls and your fan. You have your phone and your remote. Continuing at the foot of the bed, you have your large flat panel TV. You also have a little stool that pulls out. You can turn this into a writing desk, and there's some chargers there as well. You've got more luggage storage right here with storage underneath, a chair over here in the corner, and then right here you're gonna have your sofa with coffee table. The sofa does pull out in this particular category with the 2 queens, it does not. Coffee table is a perfect place to take advantage of that complimentary room service menu, especially for breakfast. So headed out to the balcony, you can see it's a pretty decent size. You have 2 chairs and a table right here. Now keep in mind, remember for the tropical view, you're gonna get some foliage. You're really gonna get a resort right next to you. And we don't honestly sell that many of this particular category. Most of our clients upgrade for the view or for those preferred club amenities, and that is not possible in this particular category. So if this particular suite is perfect for you and your family, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know the space inside and out. We know that we can collaborate with you to create the vacation of a lifetime at an incredible value.